Hey guys, this is John from Easy Motors. I'm going to be installing a seatbelt bypass. Just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys how to do it. This here is currently a 2024 Pro FXT, but this will work on about anything, even Hondas and Kawasaki's and Polaris, whatever you want to talk about, they make them for these. Just make sure you get the right one. It's a pretty simple, it closes the loop is what it does. And so you can bypass your seat belt. So what you're gonna wanna do is take your seat out. I've already done that. I have this crate that I bought at Home Depot that I altered to fit down in here. I flipped the lid upside down, made a little bracket down there, and that sits on there, and then I have a whole lot more storage. Kawasaki also makes some of those that that can go down in there. This was my best option and the cheapest option, and it gives me a whole lot more storage rather than just the little storage here. More storage the better. This is what it is. Seatbelt bypass harness override, and this is what it looks like. So what you're going to do is, here's your driver's side seatbelt. You're going to follow this wire down below where your seat's at. It's going to connect. You're going to, there's a little prong that you have to press in and pull out. It's a safety keeper. So then you're going to end up with this side here. I've already disconnected it. You're going to end up with this side here, not the one going up to the seat belt. We're gonna bypass that is what we're doing. So we're gonna close this loop, and I don't think I can do this with one hand, but I will try. So basically this is going to go into there and close the loop. I'm gonna do it real quick. It just snaps in and you're done. It does come with a couple zip ties. I'm going to zip tie it to this larger wire up top here just to keep it out of the way, and it'll allow me to get my box back in there without tearing up the wires or anything. But like and share if you don't mind, and continue to make some videos on different projects I have going on. Thank you, everybody. Have a great night.